Making a Roblox game usually takes days, sometimes weeks, and if you're making something big, even months. But what if you could turn game ideas into playable games just by describing them? Yo, this is crazy! Today I'm putting that idea to the test, because instead of spending hours scripting, building maps and designing systems myself, I'm going to try turning 3 different game ideas into playable browser games using an AI platform called Luddi. And the challenge is simple. Every game has to start with nothing more than an idea. No pre-made projects, no hidden shortcuts, just an idea and AI assisted creation. Honestly, I have no idea what's about to happen, so there's only one way to find out. Let's make some games. Today I'm testing Luddi, an AI platform that helps turn game ideas into playable browser games using natural language. So what do we need to do? So first, open the studio. Second, describe the game idea in plain language. Third, the AI will generate a playable HTML5 game. Fourth, if we want changes, we tell Luddi. Then Luddi will generate a new version based on your prompts, so you can keep refining things like gameplay, difficulty controls, visual assets and more until you're happy with the result. If the generated images aren't exactly what you wanted, you can also upload your own or describe a different art style. And fifth, we can publish the game and share it with the world. This makes it much easier to prototype ideas, experiment with mechanics, and quickly create playable games without starting from scratch. What's also amazing is that you can choose the AI model you want to use: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and more. So with that being said, let's finally make some games, and also make sure you watch the whole video so you can see how you can make some games for free with Luddi. Alright, so here we are on the website, and as you can see, here we have some games that other people made. For an example, here we have Signbird Zap, so we can shop fast. This is a clicker, as you can see. Now, of course, there's a lot of different games, but for our first game, let's create a horror game, and the prompt I just copy pasted from ChatGPT to make the game faster. So I just sent it, and currently he's planning the game. While he's planning, let me show you a bit around the studio. So if we aren't sure what to make, what kind of game to make, we can always pick a template, and so start from a pre-built game template. Template is like a done game, so it just changes a bit, and yeah. Now we also have tune assets and that stuff, but since we currently don't have the game, since it's planning the game, we can't see anything right now in it. Alright, so here, as you can see, is done with the game planning. So hollow signal, you're never alone, the silence is just the house deciding what to do next. So here's the game idea, and now we also have the cast, which means assets, like what's in the game, so the player and then some other assets. We can also tweak the idea, but you know what? Let's just trust Luddi right now, so let's build the game. And as you can see, currently it's doing matched assets from library, then it will write the game code, validate the code, and then we'll see the final product. Alright, so here, as you can see, the game is done, and hollow signal: hack 3 terminals, then reach the exit, avoid the sign vision cones, hide in the lockers, and watch attention. Interesting. Alright, so here we are, as you can see. So here is a watchtower, and then the drones. Hold on, I need to. Alright, nice. So this is a terminal, I just hacked it. Now these look like walls. If I go here, here's a locker I can hide. Nice. Oh, I see a terminal up here. Nice. Hack it. And maybe down there? No, here's a locker. No, alright. Let's just go check out. Oh, so here's the exit, here's the drone. Okay. The system found you. Oh, the game also has mobile. Nice, this is great. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, I'm a noob, I can't complete this game, finish it. But yeah, it looks amazing. Now, I can also post it. So, oh, it also generates a cover image. This looks so great, bro. Now, here I can type a description. Crazy, scary horror game. And now I can put it public and view only, or and remixable. I'll put it remixable, so I'm gonna post it. And now I have 1 out of 3 games. So later I will send all 3 games to my Discord server, and then we'll see what they think about the games. Okay, so now we can get onto the second game, and as you can see, for this game we're building it with Claude Opus 4.8. But now, of course, we're not making a horror game, we're making an RNG game. And also here is the prompt. So let's send it, and now, of course, like earlier we can pick a template, but no, since I already sent the idea, it's planning the game, and we'll see what it plans. Alright, so as you can see, it's done with the planning again. Every pull reshapes your destiny. So here's the game idea, and now the cast, so the assets, looks great, a lot of stuff. So let's build it. And now again, it's matching assets from library and writing the game code. When it will be done with the game, I'll be back again. Okay, so as you can see, the game is just done, and here is the game. It looks crazy, the graphics, like look at this. So let's pull. So as you can see, it is an RNG game, so you just pull stuff. Yeah, so we have different rarities, so common, and yeah, I can't get anything else. Oh, rare, you just saw that, right? But yeah, this looks great. So it also counts the best roll you got and essence. I'm not sure what that means, but also we have a count which up we have common, rare, and legendary probably. Yeah, rare, as you can see. And now what is pity? Oh, I just got the legendary and I just leveled up, I believe. Not sure, but another one. Yo, that's crazy. But yeah, this game looks amazing with the graphics and stuff. So also let's see the assets a little bit. So here we have the background music. Now there are also the assets like the images, the background. Then we also have the code. So yeah, this is, I believe, JavaScript, right? But yeah, JS, JavaScript. So let's post it. Let's create, the project name will be RNG. Yeah, let's just name it RNG game. And this is a really good RNG game with great graphics. And let's put a thumbs up. Let's put a yeah, right here. Thumbs up, yes. Now let's make it public and remixable, and let's post it. Published successfully, amazing. Before we move on to game 3, if you want to try Luddi yourself, check out the link in the description and pinned comment. I've also got a special code for viewers on the screen right now, so make sure to grab it while it's available. Only 250 viewers can redeem it, so hurry up! And now for the last game, remaking Bloodlust. So let's just copy paste the idea from ChatGPT and let's send it. So now here the progress will be the same like any other game. So first it plans the game, then when it's done with the planning we can see how it looks. So now we can just build it, and then when we click build it, it starts building the game. It is done with the game, as you can see. So let's play test it. As you can see, it's exactly how I wanted it. So now, boom, yeah, this is amazing, chat. Let me do this. Boom, yo, this is great. Okay, I might be playing this forever, chat. Hold on, I'm having fun. Put this here, maybe here.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now let's just there's nothing really to change since I like it like this. So let's just send it to my, let's publish. So let's post the game right now. The icon for the game is again really, is so amazing. So let's name it Block Blast. Play with blocks and blast some blocks. Yeah, amazing. So now this will be public and view only, so other people cannot remix it. So let's post it, and now it's published successfully. Now I will go to Discord, send the games to my community, and we'll see what they think about them. Alright, so here I am, and as you can see, I will post it right now, and it's posted. So now I will also create a thread. I'll name it game feedback and send a message to start. Also remove the embeds and boom, like that. Nice, looks amazing. Now let's wait and we'll get some feedback, I hope. Alright, so after a day I got some pretty cool feedback. So here you can see what feedbacks I got. So yes, as you just saw, we made 3 games with just explaining the game ideas. That was crazy. The Luddi link and every game I created for this video are in the description and pinned comment. Try them out and let me know what changes you'd make or what game ideas you want to remix next. Thanks for watching, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you liked this video, you'll definitely like one of these.